The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, how are you all? All are safe? Yes. So have you finished all the homeworks which I have provided in our last class? If you have finished, then give me a high five. Okay children. So we have discussed about herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. So depends upon the difference in their structure and basic appearance, these plants can be segregated. Basic parts in the difference namukku plants ne segregate cheyan pattumna nammal padichu. So in detail we will discuss more. Okay, so let's see this video.
Once upon a time, in a land far away from humans, lived a tribe of trees and plants. The place was called Leafland. Its inhabitants came in all sorts of shapes and sizes and were happy on their little land. Welcome to Mossy Green High School. It's where all the plants go to learn the rules of Leafland and to figure out what they want to do when they grow up. Meet Barky the tree, Herbie the herb, Bushty the shrub, Crawlster the creeper, and Monkey Bar the climber. This is their teacher, Grandma Applecheeks.
Well, young greens, you have learnt all you can from me. Soon you will all be growing up into fine young plants.
Grandma Applecheeks, can we be anything we like when we grow up?
Of course, Barky, anything.
Then I want to be Leafland's finest basketball player.
Look at you. You are too small for basketball.
I may be small now, but I will grow tall soon. I'm a tree, you see. My stem will become thick, woody and strong. It will be called a trunk. From my trunk, I'll have many branches growing out. I'll soon be towering over all the little plants. My height will be perfect for basketball. And my dad told me that I'll soon have a thick outer covering on my trunk called the bark. It will protect me during a rough game.
Sorry, Barky. I'm sure you will be amazing at basketball. I've seen other trees like you playing basketball. Nemo the neem tree, Juicy the mango tree are pretty good players. What about you, Herbie? Have you thought about what you want to do? Not really. As you can see, I'm a herb. We herbs don't grow much. We are pretty short. We have these thin, green, slender stems that aren't of much use to us. Most of us don't even have branches, and those who do have so few. I can't think of a single thing I'd be good for.
Herbie, don't be sad. I know one thing you love doing and that you're really good at too.
What's that?
Cooking. I think you should be a chef.
That's true. I do love cooking, and I'll always have fresh herbs on hand to use in my cooking. I can make delicious pasta, noodles, or even herbal tea. Thank you, Crawlster. You see, Harvey, every plant has a use. There are actually many herb chefs around. There's Betty the basil and Monaco the mint. They're very good.
What am I good at, Grandma Applecheeks?
Let's see now. Monkey Bar, you are a climber. So clearly, you're very good at climbing.
Yes, I can climb. But look at my weak stem. It cannot even stand or grow upright on its own.
That may be true, Monkey Bar. But all you need is a little help and support, and you'll grow.
That's true. I can climb up poles and sticks and anything tall and slim. Hey, I just thought of something. I could be a detective. I can climb up anywhere, look for clues, and solve cases.
There you go, little climber.
I can get my friends, Popsicle the pea plant and Rupaya the money plant, to join me too.
What's the matter, Bushti?
I'm just a silly shrub. I don't grow too big. I'm going to be only medium-sized when I grow up, so I can't play basketball. Look at my hard woody stems. I can't bend them around a pole or climb up them, so I can't be a detective either. I'm not good for anything.
Come on, Bushti. Have you never noticed that you have such pretty flowers on you?
So what?
You can sell your flowers.
I could open a little flower shop. I can use all my flowers to make bouquets. I'll be the only flower selling shop in Leafland.
You can ask your other shrub friends to help you out. I'm sure Kiki Cotton and Flora Hibiscus would love to join you.
Great idea.
Ulster, you look very relaxed. Have you already figured out what to do when you grow up?
Oh yeah, Grandma Applecheeks. I've got it all planned out.
Tell us!
As you know, I'm a creeper. I can't grow upright either, like Monkey Bar. My stem is too weak. But there is something I can do very well, and that's creeping. I can creep across the ground with no support. I have these special roots, you see. They help me creep.
Wow. So what are you going to do with your skills then?
I'm planning to start a carpet business. Anyone who wants to carpet their floors, just give me a call. I'll provide pretty, leafy carpets that are edible too. I'll be selling creepers like watermelons, muskmelons, and pumpkins like me. So, when the carpets are fully grown, you can just pluck the vegetables or fruits on them. I'm going to call it the Creepy Crawly Carpet Business.
Great idea, Crawlster. But you might want to rethink the name of your business.
Very soon, the 5 young plants grew up. Each of them went off to fulfill their dream.
So, have you decided what you want to be when you grow up?
So by seeing this video, I hope that you have understood the concept more clearly, isn't it? Now we will go to our today's topic. What are some ways in which I can take care of plants around me? That is the big question. എനിക്ക് ചുറ്റുമുള്ള പ്ലാന്റ്സിനെ ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ടേക്ക് കെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? So for that, let's do this pep activity 2.9. Okay. Aditya's parent offered him the option of having either an animal or a plant as his pet. Aditya chose to have a pet plant. Help him learn how to take care of it. Take the actions that will help the plant grow and stay alive. So the first one is water the plant regularly. Is it right or wrong? So yes, right. Put a tick there. Provide it with healthy food. Tick. Keep it in a pot filled with soil that is rich in nutrients. Tick. Provide it with a blanket to keep it warm. Is it necessary? No. So you have to put wrong. Place it near the window for sunlight. Tick that. Protect it from being hurt or eaten. That's also right. So by doing this pep activity, we understood that the plants need clean air, enough water, sunlight, nutritious soil for their healthy growth, isn't it? അപ്പോൾ ഒരു പ്ലാന്റ് ഹെൽത്തി ആയിട്ട് വളരണമെങ്കിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ആവശ്യം? ക്ലീൻ എയർ, ഇനഫ് വാട്ടർ, ന്യൂട്രീഷ്യസ് സോയിൽ ആൻഡ് സഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് സൺലൈറ്റ്. ഇതെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പ്ലാന്റ് നല്ല ഹെൽത്തി ആയിട്ട് വളരും. ഓക്കെ, now let's do this activity 2.11. Read the given scenarios. Scenario 1. Observe this given image of a room. Answer these questions. Where would you place a potted plant in this room? Circle the spot in the image. So this first question, you can spot the image. Actually, you have to spot there in near the window. So that I have mentioned with a red ink. Second question of that first one, mention the reason for your choice. That you have to write to get enough sunlight. Second question, how would you take care of this plant? The answer is water the plant regularly, provide sunlight and air. Now see this scenario 2. Observe images A, B, C and D. Describe what the child in each image is doing. Color the images that show the children caring for plants. അപ്പോൾ ഏത് കുട്ടിയാണോ കെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആ കുട്ടിയെ കളർ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദ ഇമേജ് ദേ ഹാവ് ഗിവൺ വൺ ഗേൾ. So what is the description you have to write? The girl is breaking the branch of the plant. Second, what the boy is doing? The boy is making a fence for the plant. So in this, who is doing the right thing? Girl or the boy? Yes, exactly. The boy is doing the right thing. So you have to color the boy also. Okay. See image C. What the boy is doing? The boy is walking through the grass and he herds the plants. So many small herbs are there, grasses, small plants are there. So he is walking through them and he is herding the plants. But see in image D, what that girl is doing? She is watering the plants. She is taking care of that plant, isn't it? So she is doing a nice thing. So if you see a friend doing any of these actions, how would you feel? What would you tell them? See image A. See, I would feel sad. I would tell them, don't break the plant. Now see image B. So what is this? So that boy is doing a great job, isn't it? So you have to write, I would feel happy. I would tell them, you have done a great job. Now in image C, that boy is walking through the grass. So you have to write, I would feel sad. I would tell them not to walk on the grass. And in image D, that girl is watering the plant. So you have to write, I would feel happy. I would tell them, you have done a great job. She is doing a great job by caring the plant. From this activity, it is more clear that we should take care of these plants by providing their basic needs. We should not harm the plants. We should not pluck the flowers. എന്നൊക്കെ എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ലേ ഗാർഡനിലൊക്കെ പോകുമ്പോൾ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പ്ലാന്റ്സിനെ ഹാം ചെയ്യരുത്. അവരുടെ ബേസിക് നീഡ്സ് മുഴുവൻ നമ്മൾ പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പ്ലാന്റ് ഹെൽത്തി ആയിട്ടും നല്ല സ്ട്രോങ് ആയിട്ടും ഉണ്ടാവും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഐ ഹോപ്പ് ദാറ്റ് നൗ യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് ദ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഹൗ വി ഹാവ് ടു ടേക്ക് കെയർ ഓഫ് ദ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് യു ക്യാൻ describe what are the needs of a plant to grow, stay healthy. What are they? Clean air, enough water, sufficient sunlight and nutritious soil. പിന്നെ വേറെന്താ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത്? We should not harm the plants. We should not hurt the plants, isn't it? You all are clear how to take care of the plants in many ways in our surroundings. So in your companion, one activity is there, that is activity 2B in your companion, how we can grow and take care of the plants. So that is also a project type. So if you have leisure time, I think you have lot of leisure time nowadays അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു പ്ലാന്റിന് ഒരു സീഡ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് ഒരു പോട്ട് എടുക്കുക, സീഡ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് അതിനെ ഒരു പ്ലാന്റിനെ ഒന്ന് നന്നായിട്ട് അതിനെ വളർത്തുക. ആൻഡ് യു ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫ്സ് ഓക്കെ വിത്ത് യു. നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ നിന്നിട്ട് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫ്സ് എടുത്തിട്ട് അയക്കാം. പക്ഷെ പെട്ടെന്നൊന്നും ആവില്ല, അത് കുറച്ച് സമയം എടുക്കും. ഐ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യു ക്യാൻ ഡു ദാറ്റ് ആൻഡ് യു ക്യാൻ send me the photos. Okay, so children, I am winding my class. So let's see in the next class. But before that, I have to say the thing which always I tells you. What is that? You have to read the content. You have to do the activity. When you are watching my video, you have to keep your studio with you and you have to do the activities along with my class. And you have to do the home fun and notes which I have provided, that you have to copy to your notebook. ഇതെല്ലാം ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, അപ് ടു ഡേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പോയാലേ നമുക്ക് പോർഷൻസ് മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ, ആ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ. സോ ഐ നോ ദാറ്റ് മൈ ഡിയർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, യു ഓൾ വിൽ ഡു ദാറ്റ്. So from the evaluation, I came to know that all are doing. So by this, we have finished this second chapter, concept map, and rest of the questions I will be providing through homework videos. Okay, so till then, you have to be safe and be happy and have a nice day.